Together, we will help Adam to complete the IRS withholding certificate, commonly known as the W-4 form for 2021. This is the form that tells your employer how much money should be taken from your paycheck for taxes. Yes, some of your money will be taken from your paycheck each pay period for taxes. This is sad, but true. Step 1 of the W-4 form is personal information. Step 2 is for multiple job or spouse work information. Adam's first name, middle initial, as it appears on his social security card. Then Adam's last name, again, as it appears on his social security card. Adam's social security number, we will double check that against his social security card to make sure it's the correct social security number. Then Adam's complete street address, followed by city, state initial, and zip code. Adam selected the first option, single or married filing separately. He selected this option because he's not married and he's not the head of household. He's a single man. Okay. Let's review step 2 to determine if this applies to Adam. Well, Adam has one job and he's not married. So step 2 does not apply to him. Then we go to the final 3 steps of the W-4 form. Step 3 is claim dependent. Step 4 is other adjustments. And step 5 is the signature. Adam has no qualifying children. Actually, Adam has no children. So we'll enter 0. Since the number of qualifying dependent is 0, then this amount is also 0. Next is to add the 2 fields above. Well, 0 plus 0 is also 0. Okay? Adam only has income from his one job as a game designer. So we'll enter 0. Adam will be claiming the standard deduction, so again, we have 0. Adam does not want to have any additional tax withheld from his paycheck each pay period, so once again, we have 0. So all the fields in step 3 and step 4 are zeros. Okay? The last 2 fields is Adam's signature, followed by the date when the W-4 form was completed. And the final step is to submit the completed W-4 form to the payroll office for processing.